Fall is in the air, which means it's time to pull out all of your cozy favorites, including these pumpkin spice hot chocolate bombs. Welcome back to the Station Bakery. The process for creating these hot chocolate bombs is a fairly simple one. I'm starting off with white almond bark from Walmart. This chocolate comes pre-sectioned into 12 cubes, which I find very helpful as one cube is enough to make one hot chocolate bomb. So we're going to melt down 3 cubes to fit into my 3 hot chocolate bomb mold. Once our chocolate is melted down, we will then need to add our pumpkin spice spices to this chocolate. I created my own mixture comprised of ground ginger, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and ground cloves. I just gently fold this into the chocolate to give it that pumpkin spice flavor. As an alternative, you can purchase already mixed pumpkin spice. Once the chocolate and spices are mixed in well, we are then going to pour the chocolate into our molds. I find that about 1 teaspoon of chocolate per mold for this first coating is sufficient enough. You want to use your spoon or whatever tool you want to use to spread the chocolate around evenly and fill in any gaps as much as possible. Now, if you're unable to get it perfectly smooth, no worries, as I'm going to show you a simple trick in order to get your chocolate smooth and covering the entire mold. So the trick here is to shake it, don't break it, because it took your mama 9 months to make it. Sorry guys, I had to. But yes, as you see here, you just shake the mold and it moves the chocolate and fills in each space and gives you a nice even coating. Once all of the cavities are properly coated, you then want to pop this into the freezer or let it sit out to firm and harden. While our chocolate is hardening, we are going to get started on creating our pumpkin spice hot chocolate mix. I'm simply taking salted caramel hot chocolate and then adding in my special pumpkin spice spices. Once our chocolate is set, we can then go in with a second coating. Again, you want to keep your layers as thin as possible because the thinner your chocolate is, the better your hot chocolate bomb will work. Once the second coating has set, you are then able to just pop them out of the mold. I don't run into any issues with the chocolate smudging or melting, and as you can see, they're very shiny, even smooth, and absolutely beautiful. Toot toot! You might notice that the edges are rough and jagged, but trust me, this is what you want. Once your chocolate is out of the mold and is ready to be put together, you want to heat up a cookie sheet in your oven on the lowest setting. I find this to be a very safe way, but there are many other options on how you can melt down the edges of your chocolate bombs. So you see me here placing the chocolate onto the hot cookie sheet with a piece of parchment paper over it and then just turning it to melt down that chocolate and create a nice smooth edge. This step is very important because this is going to set you up for success when putting together a perfect hot chocolate bomb. I only melt down the bottom half of my hot chocolate bombs. Then I go in and fill it with my hot chocolate, marshmallows, sprinkles, and whatever other goodies that I want to put inside of the bombs. Once they're filled, I go in with the same process and I melt down my top halves of the chocolate bombs, and then I place the 2 pieces together and smooth out the melted chocolate to make a perfect circle. Let the chocolate set before you begin to decorate. Decorating is fairly simple. There are so many things that you can do to decorate, like my unicorn hot chocolate bombs. But for this, I'm just doing a simple squiggle wiggle with some cute fall sprinkles and a splash of pumpkin spice. These bombs are so simple, yet so cute and so tasty. Please make sure that you watch to the end of the video as I'm going to show you how these bombs work. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out when I post my next video. All right, guys, as always, until next time, peace.